Hello and happy Sunday. It's Diane, and I thought I would jump on here and try to motivate myself to make a couple variations of pumpkin bread. I have been so sleepy and tired today. I think I was up really late last night, come to think of it, just watching a show. And made a cup of coffee just now. It's about almost 3 in the afternoon. I don't usually drink coffee in the afternoon, but I want to get this pumpkin bread in the oven. So I I roasted some pumpkins. I showed a different video for that, and Teddy loves his pureed pumpkin with his food. So I roasted some fall pumpkins that I had never carved that were still fresh. And it's time to use this stuff. I have all my ingredients for my different pumpkin breads that I'm going to make. I'm going to make a chocolate chip pumpkin bread. I like to use milk chocolate chips. And I am also going to do a cranberry pumpkin bread one, which is a little more Christmassy. But I have my nutmeg and cinnamon and all those fun ingredients. And I just want to get this going and in the oven, or else I'll just procrastinate some more. So I hope everyone's having a good Sunday. I've just been puttering and decorating a little bit this weekend. I brought out my little ceramic gingerbread measuring spoons that I'll use for the measuring. Those are always fun. And well, this is not supposed to be here, but these are some cookies that I made that are like permanent. But I got these years ago at a vintage Christmas shop, and they used to have little eyes and cheeks and a nose, and this little, homespun fabric. And unfortunately, I left them in a bowl, and they were not wrapped up properly a couple years ago, and mice got in and ate most of the cookies. So I was very upset and sad and felt really mad at myself. No more rodents anywhere around my stuff, nor are there any in the house. The house is completely safe now, but yeah, a couple years ago, where I live is very rural, and there's rodents and bunnies and lovely creatures everywhere. Anywho, so I made out of bread dough, permanent bread dough, these little guys, and I got some sparkly glitter, and I found some homespun and put little faces on. I need to paint them with some tea or something to make them look old, but it made me feel better to make these guys. Not quite the same thing, but I take much better care about wrapping up my Christmas stuff now. I have more that I made a couple years ago, but I never did anything with these. So anyhow, I'll come back with the, I just chose a simple recipe for pumpkin bread I'll post it in the description, and I will come back when I'm putting them in the oven and when they come out, and the house should smell wonderful. Hope everyone's having a good Sunday. Bye. Okay. All right. You guys okay? Hello again. This is part 3, the final baking chapter of today. So these are done, and put some white on there. They smell wonderful. So I did 2 cranberry pumpkin, and I did 2 chocolate chip. Now it looks a little burnt, but it's not, because 10 minutes ago these were not done in the middle. So I have faith that they will be wonderful, and I've made these before, and only too excited to have cranberries. Sorry for giving you guys a good angle. Only too happy to have cranberries to do 2 different variations. And I have enough left to make another batch. So I'm going to let this cool before I take these out, and then I'll probably do another batch. And I still have more pureed pumpkin to make something else. Maybe some pumpkin soup tomorrow, or maybe a pumpkin soup. That kind of sounds good. Anyways, Thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. Bye.